That song was brought to you by Bigger Light Tea. Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Chana Sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. And SM Advantage Card. Be an SM Advantage Card member now and get a free McDonald's sundae. And Shell's best ever premium performance diesel. And make your drive come alive. And Nor Sinigang. Tikman ang sarap ng asin kilig with Nor Sinigang.
Slow down, go easy. Easy
Hello, it's 1:40. That time check was brought to you by Bigger Light Tea. Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Chana Sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. And Fusidin, full force against wound infection. And the new Metathione Lotion. Change your idea of whitening.
Mga misis, goodbye na sa damit mansa. Dahil narito na ang Pride Barreta with Stain Away Formula. Maputi ang labada at matipid pa dahil matagal matunaw ang Barreta. Pride Barreta with Stain Away Formula.
When you use Pride Barreta, put Stain Away Formula. Goodbye ang damit mansa. Sila'y magpapaalam na. Ang puti ng labada. Ang bango mukha, ibig kasi. Matagal matunaw ko. Ang dami ng malalaghan ko.
Pride Detergent Bar, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
People, let's get on down under. Sydney now.
Get on down under. Blue Pacific's newest destination, Sydney, Australia. Flights start September 9, 2014. Book now at www.bluepacificair.com. The Blue Pacific, why everyone flies.
Sydney now, people, let's get on down under. Sydney now.
Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si misis mas lalong magaanda.
Honey, ano tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Kung pwede ako dito sa flat.
Gaanda.
Kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ang dami suot ni misis, magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlaba, Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Hindi ko yata magpajama.
Gaanda.
Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Magaan ang labada, kaya si misis mas lalong magaanda. Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Sa totoong buhay, hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan ka magkakasakit. Ako nga in my 40s, di ko akalain I would need heart surgery. Buti na lang I had a Film Life plan. Laking tulong sa gastos na di cover ng HMO.
Introducing Film Life Health Invest, a health and life insurance plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. We understand real life. We'll help you plan for it. Anong plano mo? Usap tayo. Call 528-2000, visit filmlife.com, or talk to your Film Life financial advisor about Health Invest now. Speed Magazine's September cover girl, Maha Salvador, dons her Buddy Holly style glasses and shows you how sexy geeks can be. Read Speed Magazine's reviews of the Huawei Ascend P7, Lenovo S860, LG G3, Oppo Find 7A, and Samsung Galaxy Tab S to make sure you get your money's worth. Get up to date with a volatile tech industry and know what the emergence of second-tier brands means to the smartphone industry. Ready for some dose of tech geekiness? Grab your copy of Speed Magazine's September issue at your favorite bookstore or download the digital versions from Zinio, Flippo, or Magster. 96.3 Easy Rock is the official radio partner.
Calling all marketing communication students, the PANA Foundation will be teaching the 5th PANA Youth Congress on Thursday, November 21, 2014, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Unilab Bayanihan Center, Pioneer Street, Pasig City. This year's Congress theme is Digital Me. Tickets are 500 pesos, inclusive of meals. Interested parties can call the PANA Secretariat at 894-0474-275 or email them pana@pana.com.ph.
When the magic is real, it just seems impossible.
That's real.
That's the great Flame, Real or Magic, live in Manila, September 12, Smart Araneta Coliseum. For tickets, visit ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. Making the impossible real. David Blaine, live, brought to you by Air 21 from AXN, Ovation Productions, and 96.3 Easy Rock.
Crawford's new song was brought to you by Colgate Fresh Confidence with Cooling Crystals. Download the song for free at the Colgate Philippines Facebook page. It's mind-blowing!
Ang mga tunay na magkabrad, nagsasanib puwersa para mabuo ang lahat. Tipong may taga-kanta at may taga-rap. Sanib puwersa tayo, brad. Hanapin mo na ang sanib puwersa ang nagsisabilan para sa mga ala-alang babalik-balikan. Yan ang nabibigay ng bagong Colt 45. Sanib puwersa tayo. Sanib puwersa tayo, Colt 45. Lumalabas ang tunay na kapatiran pag nagsanib na ng puwersa. Ako po si Raymond Marasigan. Ako naman si Abra. Nagsanib puwersa sa bagong Colt 45. Drink responsibly.
You make me complete, easy rock.